The smell of mixed fuel clinging to your clothes for 3 days straight used to be the price of admission for getting any real work done in the woods. You would yank on a pull cord until your shoulder screamed. You would hope the carburetor felt like cooperating. But things are shifting fast in the world of outdoor power tools. One of the most famous names in the industry has released a 16-inch cordless chainsaw. It aims to bridge the gap between weekend hobbyist gear and serious equipment. This tool is built around a high-voltage battery system and a brushless motor. It promises to mimic the punch of a gas engine without the headache of spark plugs or oil mixing. When you pick it up, the first thing you notice is the balance. It feels incredibly light. It feels nimble in your hands. You could maneuver this thing through tight branches all afternoon. You will not feel like you just finished a heavy session at the gym. They designed it with all-weather protection too. A little drizzle or a damp morning in the yard will not fry the electronics. Instead of a choke and a pull cord, you get a clean keypad. You press a button and you are ready to cut. It feels strange for anyone used to the roar of a gas engine. This saw does not scream at the world. It hums with a focused energy. For general yard maintenance or clearing out a fallen limb after a storm, that quiet operation is a massive win. Your neighbors will appreciate not hearing a two-stroke engine at 7 in the morning. However, we have to talk about the reality of battery power. While this saw delivers plenty of power for most tasks, it is not a magic wand. If you try to sink that bar into a massive trunk or seasoned oak, you are going to feel it slow down. It is optimized for high chain speed, but it lacks the raw, relentless momentum of a professional-grade gas saw. It is a specialized tool for pruning and cutting firewood. It excels at felling small to medium trees. If you treat it like a heavy-duty logging saw, you will be disappointed. The runtime is another factor to weigh. For light trimming, a single charge goes a long way. If you are doing continuous heavy cuts, that battery indicator is going to drop faster than you expect. You will likely want a spare battery on the charger if you plan to spend the whole Saturday clearing brush. That convenience comes with a premium price tag. It is an investment in your own sanity and ease of use. You are paying for the lack of maintenance. You are paying for the fact that it starts every single time without fail. For a homeowner who just wants to keep the property looking sharp, it is a compelling trade-off. You do not have to become a small engine mechanic on the side. It bridges the gap between those cheap plastic tools and the heavy metal monsters the pros use. You get the premium build quality of a legendary brand in a package that is easy to handle. It is about choosing the right tool for the right job. If your day involves felling giant timber, you should probably stick to gas. But if you just need to keep the backyard under control and want a tool that is ready whenever you are, this cordless option proves the electric revolution is finally here to stay. It represents a shift toward tools that work for us rather than making us work for them. No more oily rags. No more gas cans in the car. Just a quiet, efficient way to get the job done and get back to your weekend.